Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm Nick with DTFSuperstore.com. Today I'm breaking down the DTF process by answering one major question you may have been asking yourself. What happens when I mess up?
My mistake!
Notice I said when and not if. Inevitably at some point you're gonna overlook a step in the process or there's gonna be a snag in your design. Not only will you be left with a mess no one wants to wear, you've just lost out on product and worst of all, money. But that's where VLR comes in. This is a vinyl letter removing solvent that claims to remove direct-to-film transfers without destroying the fabric. I'm amazed at what this product can do. First time I tried, I just poured it on and started scraping. This worked, but it took a little time. This didn't affect the colors of my garment, and I was able to repress the same shirt within a matter of hours. Please read and follow the directions while using this product. Start with some rubber gloves, as I don't recommend VLR making contact with your skin. It says it won't stain your garments, but it did strip a layer or two off our table here. Once you're all prepped, flip your garment inside out and apply a generous amount of solvent. Flip back to the other side, apply a bit more, and stretch the fabric. You'll see the print start to release. Find something with a flat edge to scrape against the fabric, as this will help peel off more ink at a time. Wetting another rag with VLR and gently rubbing the top of the graphic helps release the rest of the residue. There will be a slight halo from the removal, but you're good to press a new graphic directly on top of this area. There's no doubt about it, VLR is a must-have in your shop. Not only will VLR help you save money from lost product and garments, but it cleans up spilled adhesive better than most go-to brands of stripping solvent.
Oh wow, look at how quickly that came up. You can see all of that sticky adhesive already coming up. Oh wow.
That's a huge difference.
Yeah, I've been using Goo Gone for over an hour now and I didn't get this much adhesive up.
Check out VLR in the description below. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when we drop those tips and tricks on the DTF process. We help you grow with volume discount pricing when you shop DTFSuperstore.com.